Okay, so this is Rich Noto, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. So right now I'm over at Parkview at the Hills. Got this fantastic looking home. This is called the Hampton. Now Parkview at the Hills is over in the Mineola area. Really nice location over here. And just down the road where that big, huge pile of dirt is, that's going to be a public shopping center. Now this home model, which is the Hampton, is definitely one of my favorite floor plans over here in this community, and I do actually like a whole bunch of floor plans over here. And I can't say that about every community, but I can over here. These are really nice. So what you have is a 3-car garage to start. Now this home is an inventory home, so if you are interested in this home or a home anywhere else, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. First, before you contact any home builder, when you contact the home builders first, you can lose your free realtor representation that they pay for. Just keep that in mind. Just a beautiful home on the outside. I love the stone. Doing some paint on the inside over there, so I'm just going to keep out of it. Really nice looking stone over here. Check it out. Okay, so when you first walk in, there's the door. You just have a ton of room over here. And kind of an interesting looking floor plan. You can see how it's shaped. You head off into your kitchen. Okay, so let's see what we have. So here is your storage underneath the stairs. Has some extra lighting too. You know, you usually only see like a single light inside of a closet. That one had 2. Okay, so for me this covers it because you have a full bath. You can see here's your full bath. And you have a bedroom over here which you can, use for anything you want. So you got this nice bedroom. You got a closet. Okay, so here's your kitchen area and your living room. And you can see you have a nice large island, and over here it's angled So somebody could sit over there on the side. Now the community over here is natural gas. And this door is for your garage. I'm not going to go outside. They are painting it. Got an awesome pantry. Okay, I'm trying to get another view of the pantry. Let's try to do this differently. Okay, so here's an isometric view of the pantry. Let's get around the corner over here. Actually, a lot of room, just a little hard to shoot from where I'm standing. A lot of room in the pantry. Got your dishwasher. Yeah, range top. Got the gourmet kitchen going on over here too. Everybody likes this right there, where it's stacked like that, compared to the traditional stove. I personally don't care, but that's just me. That's just me. Okay, so something else that's nice about this is that you have a landing right over here. I'm gonna go to my feet. As you can see, we came up those stairs. And now here we have another landing of 3 steps before we end up on the 2nd floor fully. So that's nice. And it's nice to have, especially, you know, if you have some issues going up and down stairs, or you had a bit of a surgery, or you know, you just want to age with your home. This home does have some flexibility with the stairs being like that rather than just a straight run. And also having that full bedroom on the 1st floor. Okay, so this room over here looks like it's going to be a master because it's a big room, but it's not. Because there's no bathroom. And I know it's just a real surprise. I'm gonna give you an isometric over here. You can see just how big this room is. Maybe the top of my head is in it. This room is just huge. So if you want to have a really nice TV room or a home theater room where you could shut the door, this is a really great option. Plus, you have this big walk-in closet. So you can see, you got a full bath out in your hall. Now with this home, there's a whole bunch of different ways to customize the floor plan. This is a 3 to 5 bedroom home, depending on how you option it out. 2,886 square feet. Give you another isometric. Probably the top of my head is in it, as it always is. Can't keep it out. Let's see, we have another closet. These are just really large rooms. Hall closet. Laundry. And finally the master. Look at all those windows, plenty of light. This one has a tray ceiling. I'll give you an isometric of this. Just a large, beautiful room. Really, really well set up home. Let's see what this is. Oh, just the toilet. Big, big, big walk-in closet. Look at that. A little section off to the left. Really big walk-in closet. Okay, so now I'm standing inside of the closet that's in the master bedroom. I'm going to try to give you another angle of this closet just to show you how large this closet is. Beautiful home, really beautiful home. And I do want to walk out of the home with me in the viewer just to give you a little bit better size perspective of it. Here's your bathtub. Now we're going to go into the master bedroom. Really, really beautiful large room. Fantastic master. Now, one of the things I do like about this home is I like how it's sectioned. I like how the master is over here kind of all by itself. And over here, you have the other two bedrooms, and this over here was a full bath. Very nice. Now, of course, this loft, probably the best view of the loft that you're gonna get. Really nice room, another nice room for sitting and watching TV, a family room, stuff like that. But of course, I think I'm gonna back into this room. This room over here, really amazing room. You know, again, if you like to watch movies, if you're into home theater, whatever, this is definitely a room that you would want. Very easy to set up. And something else about this room is that it does have this closet over here. So with this particular setup, this one has a closet. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back down the stairs, and again, I like it because it has the landings. I'm on the first landing, going down to 3 steps. I'm on another landing. Now I go down, looks like maybe 7 steps or so, and I'm at the first floor. Now just to show myself in the video with the kitchen. You can see the kitchen over here, and your rear lanai on this one is awesome, but I believe this one I think is extended. Could be wrong. Don't hold me to it. a lot of room outside. Beautiful day today too. What is that? That's a pretty looking, oh, it looks just like a leaf. Let's see if I can get the video on this bug. It really does look like a leaf. Can't really see because the view is washed out because of the sun, but I think I'm getting it. Okay, so as you can see, really great lanai. Very scenic looking area too. The city is that way. Orlando is over. Sure, with the camera you're not going to be able to see it, but that way. And you can see the city depending on where you're standing around here. You see the tops of the buildings. Considering the city's not exactly close by. Now, as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales, and I do work for you and represent you with your best interest in mind. And as always, check out my website at wintergardennew.com. You can find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each page, if it is listed on the MLS. And thank you again for watching. Have a fantastic day.